Hello there, Andy Lowe here from FreshLookReview.com. Today I'm going to review Thumbnail Blaster. Having been a user of this for several months now, I thought it would be time that I did a review. I'll do a quick introduction, then we'll have a look at inside the actual software. I'll do a live demo. I'll then tell you, in my opinion, if I think it's worth the money, and then we'll do a quick conclusion. Okay, let's get going. Okay, here we are inside the Blaster Suite software, and as you see, it's cloud-based, so there's no problems with regards to logging on from different computers. All the information is held in the cloud. This is the way that most people are going these days with regards to there's no downloads available required. So the first thing you need to do is set up your YouTube accounts. You can load more than one. I've just loaded mine there. You see it recognises that I've got 9 videos in this particular account, and then I will be able to create thumbnails for any of those 9 videos if I so wish. And there's also if we go into the thumbnail creator, so like I said, that's setting up your YouTube, the thumbnail creator. I click on there. You'll also notice as well, every time you go into somewhere, it does get a little bit annoying after a while, because I haven't found out how you can not get the training videos, but every time you open a screen, a little video comes up showing you how to use this particular part of the software. Like I say, it's good to begin with, but it gets a bit annoying when they keep coming up every time. Like I say, I'm sure there'll be something in the settings I'll be able to get rid of those. So that's brought up my the thumbnails that I've created so far. Now, like I say, you don't have to have a YouTube account. You can create these from, it says start with no video. So if you click on there, you just start with like a fresh canvas. But if I was to say, for instance, went to this particular one, well, let's have a look. Perpetual Income 365. If I click on that particular video, again, a little video comes up showing you what to do. We'll close that down. So that's selected that particular video. So if I now go to the next steps, again another little video comes up showing me what I'm going to do with the next steps. So it gives me 3 alternatives. So it's looked at that video and it's decided with its artificial intelligence with regards to what it thinks would be like a good design to match that particular video. So I will pick, which one? I said there's only 3 to choose from. Let's have a look at, so it says here, use template preview. So we can have a little preview. Let's have a look. Let's just say, let's go for use template and see what it comes up with. So again, another little video comes up showing us what to do next. So that's basically used a little part of the thumbnail I'd already created with regards to Perpetual 365, and it's just put that in there, and it's obviously put that in there. So I could go into there and add in income. Obviously it's a little bit too big, so I can just go down in size, and that pops. I think that looks quite good. There's a little back thing, arrows. That's not particularly great, so I could maybe go and change the image in that. I'll go and have a go at doing that. Okay, so this is where it says show artificial intelligence suggestions. If you just click on there, it ends up bringing a few more of these templates through. So I'm going to use this template here. So let's click on there and let's see what it brings through. I'll bring another video up, I'm sure, show me what to do. We'll continue from there. So like you say, there you go. So Perpetual Income 365. So what are the things I can change in here? So I can go into the text and I can put in my Perpetual Income, and it was 365, so I'll put that at the end, space 365. I've not taken this, 365, so that's pretty good. again, you know, I've got that in there, this picture, which isn't brilliant. So I'll delete that and put a different picture in. But like I say, this, oh my god, wow, and it really pops perpetual. So I'll just go in there. So like I say, look, you've got text, you can add text, you can add shapes, you can add images, you can change the background colour. Go into there, and we can change it to blue. No, that's the background, isn't it? That's the, yeah, so if I was to get rid of that, that's in the foreground. So you could change that to see at the back. I've changed it to blue, so it's really pretty pointless, really, isn't it? So yeah, that's the backgrounds. You can change the layers, you can add shapes, you can add all sorts of stuff, arrows, badges. So go into there, could go and add one of those into there, make it as big as you want, turn it round. So there's all sorts you can add. So I'm going to go and add an image which I've got, which is that perpetual. So that was the original thing that I used, but you get the idea. You can manipulate things very easily. So there we go, perpetual income 365, a thumbnail that pops. So all you need to do now is you're going to save as a JPEG or save and continue. I'm just going to save that as a JPEG. It saves it down here, and I'll go and put that into, so it'll come up there. So I'll now go there to the right hand side, save as, and I'll go and put it in a file where I put things. So perpetual 365, save it, shut that down, save and continue. I'm just going through the motions to see what it actually does. And then another little video comes up here. Yeah, so what he's saying now is you can either save it as a PNG, save it as a JPEG, save it with a watermark, or you can publish it, and it publishes this thumbnail straight onto the YouTube, so you don't have to go in and change it, so it will do it straight away, which is pretty good. So I've gone back into the editor and just changed a few things just to make it look a bit better. I've put a little picture of myself, honest review. So I think that pops out quite nice. Like I say, these thumbnails, less is sometimes more. And let's go and save and continue, and another little video. Like I say, then you go through these. It's just saying save it as a PNG or JPEG, or just publish it straight away. So we'll just put publish. Andrew Lowe, perpetual 365 income, publish now. Successfully change the thumbnail for your video. So that's it. That's all I need to do. So we've seen how easy it is to create these thumbnails. Also in the software there's artificial intelligence image analyzer. You can go into here. I haven't got this because it's on the upgrade. You can put a photo in here and it'll give you an idea if it's going to be acceptable, if it's racy, if it's contentious. It uses the Google algorithms to find out if the actual picture is going to be accepted. There you go. It says there adult, medical, spoof, violence, and racy. I'm not sure exactly how useful that is really. I mean, some of the pictures that they actually give you to use on here, if you put them in, it's saying that they go down to 80% because of their racy nature. So anyway, there's a split test again. That's another upgrade where you can put two thumbnails in at the same time, and it'll alternate them from over certain hours or certain days, and then you can see which thumbnail works the best. That's quite a useful feature. There's also quite a bit of training. As you can see, every time you go into something, a little training video comes up. There's a separate tab here as well where you can go and select and go and listen to these and watch these videos. There's one there on actually split testing, and that's about it really. So in general, I think for the price, which is $37, it's money well spent because these thumbnails are pretty good. The upgrades, when you go to as you can see, when you're using these templates, if you just with the basic package, you get up to use all these ones that are in green, and when it starts turning to purple, then that's when you have to be in the template club for the upgrade. I've just had a quick look, and they are doing an offer at the moment where you can join for 7 days for a pound for $1 trial, and you get another 360 new templates and an additional 20 new templates per month. But this is when you upgrade, and you pay a one-off fee of $197, and that gives you access to the actual template club. But I may consider doing that at some point, but I think for now the ones I've got are pretty good for what I'm. And also the good thing about using this software is they do give you a 60-day money back guarantee, so that's the price you pay, $36.86. So yeah, I think it's very good value. And the software, it is literally 2 or 3 clicks and you've got a thumbnail. And we all know how important it is to catch people's attention when there's thousands and thousands of these videos being uploaded every minute of the day on YouTube. So anyway, I hope you've got something of interest or some value out of my review. Like I say, I'm actually a user of this software, so I would recommend it to my subscribers. And overall, I would mark it about, I would say 8 out of 10 is a fair score. Don't forget to leave comments below, and if you would like to hear some more reviews from me, to subscribe to the channel, and hopefully speak to you soon. Okay, bye for now.